In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your QuickBooks Online password. Whether you've forgotten your password or simply want to change it for security reasons, I'll guide you through the simple steps required to update it. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to the QuickBooks Online website. This is where we'll begin our process of accessing your account. Once you are at the QuickBooks Online homepage, you'll notice a sign-in button conveniently located at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. This information is what you usually use to log into your account. If you're having trouble remembering your email associated with QuickBooks, try checking the email inboxes you frequently use for any correspondence from QuickBooks to jog your memory. Once you have your login information handy, just type it into the respective fields provided. After you've entered your details, you'll need to click the sign in button. This will take you directly into your QuickBooks Online account. You can follow this direct link if needed, but it's typically straightforward from the home page. Now that you're logged in, your goal is to access your profile settings, which brings us to the next step. To find the profile settings, move your cursor up to the top right of the screen where you'll see your profile photo or an icon that represents your account. This part of the interface contains a drop-down menu that provides access to various settings and options associated with your QuickBooks account. Click on your profile photo or icon and you'll see a small menu appear. From the menu that appears, select Manage Your Intuit account. This link is vital because it takes you to your account management page where all the magic happens in terms of personal information updates, such as the change of a password. Upon arriving at your account management page, you'll see several options, but for the purpose of this tutorial, we want to zero in on the Change Password option. This is typically easy to find and is clearly labeled, minimizing confusion. Once you've clicked on Change Password, you'll be taken to a new page where you'll input your new desired password. Now, a quick tip here, make sure your new password is strong. It should include a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. This combination will enhance your security, protecting your account from unauthorized access. As you enter your new password, you might notice a progress bar or indicators that show how secure your password is. These are helpful features designed to guide you in creating the strongest possible password for your account. After you've composed a new robust password, move on to the next step. The system will require you to confirm your new password, which typically involves retyping the password you just created into a confirmation field. This extra step ensures that there are no typos and that your new password was entered correctly. A matching confirmation means you're all set to move to the final step. Having entered and confirmed your new password, the last thing you need to do is click the Save button. This will update your account settings with your new password. Particularly, this ensures the changes take effect immediately, securing your account as intended. Once saved, you should receive confirmation that your password has been updated successfully, and there you have it. You've successfully reset your QuickBooks Online password. Remember, for security reasons, it's a good practice to change your passwords regularly and avoid using the same password across multiple sites. This helps to keep your online accounts safe and secure. If you encounter any issues during the process, such as error messages or problems accessing your account, QuickBooks offers support to assist you. Just reach out to their customer support team or consult their online help resources for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide made resetting your QuickBooks Online password a straightforward and stress-free experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more handy guides and tech tips. Until next time, stay secure and take care.